Friends, very important information has just been released by the Internal Revenue Service. Lawmakers are working on making major changes that will affect inflation and the current cost of living adjustment. Many Americans may see a huge increase in their tax refund checks very soon. Dear friends of mine, please make sure you watch until the end of the video for the complete details. Also, I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. During the months of October, November, and December, I will be surprising several of you with $200 gift cards to say thank you so much for being part of this community.
I will never apologize for helping working and middle-class Americans as they recover from the pandemic, especially not to the same Republicans officials who voted for a $2 trillion tax cut that mainly benefited the wealthy Americans and the biggest corporations that wasn't paid for and racked up our deficit. I don't want to hear it from MAGA Republicans, officials who had hundreds of thousands of dollars of debts, even millions of dollars in pandemic relief loans forgiven, who now are attacking me for helping working class and middle class Americans. My team at the White House posted a video of this, folks, online. You should check it out.
Now, friends, here are some new details on what the federal government is doing right now. Currently, many Americans are hoping for wage gains to offset the hottest inflation in 40 years. But there are a number of factors that could impact your take-home pay in 2023. And because inflation is rising so sharply, the IRS and other agencies are changing many rules to account for the increase in prices. For instance, the tax agency said this week that it's boosting its 2023 tax brackets by 7% due to inflation. This is a move designed to avoid bracket creep, which is when people get pushed into higher tax rates because of the cost of living salary adjustments, although their standard of living hasn't changed at all. The IRS is also increasing the standard deduction by the same percentage, which will benefit most taxpayers who use this tax break. Inflation adjustments to tax brackets mean that it will be harder for taxpayers to hit those higher brackets, and therefore will have more income taxed at lower rates next year. The interplay of these changes is complex, but the upshot is that low and middle income taxpayers may be able to trim their taxes as a result. The outlook is more complicated for higher income workers because of an inflation-adjusted boost in the cap for Social Security taxes. According to a recent survey for 2023, employers plan to offer their workers an annual raise of 4%. That is roughly in line with the median pay bump that employees received in 2022. The big problem is that inflation this year has been running at about twice that rate, with prices rising 8.2% in September from just a year ago. Economists at the Federal Reserve expect inflation to subside later this year and into 2023, although the central bank has been criticized for its call last year that the sharp rise in prices was just transitory. If the Fed is correct in predicting that inflation will decline to 2.8% next year, that will restore some purchasing power for consumers in 2023. But so far, inflation has remained stubbornly sticky. The IRS is boosting its taxable income thresholds for its 7 tax brackets, which range from 10% to a top rate of 37%. The higher limits could result in tax savings for some people. The IRS also announced that it is boosting the 2023 contribution limits for 401k plans by a record of $2,000 due to inflation, which will allow more workers to save more money in 2023. Individuals will be able to save up to $22,500 in their 401ks next year. That is an increase of almost 10% from the current year's limit of $20,500. The new cap also applies to other types of defined contribution plans. The IRS also said that the contribution limit for IRAs will increase to $6,500 next year, a boost of 8.3% from the 2022 limit of $6,000. However, the catch-up contribution for individuals over the age of 50 will remain at $1,000 because that rule is not subject to an annual adjustment for inflation. Friends, the key word for this video is Fall Festival. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Fall Festival, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, that the more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. The Social Security Administration taxes wages to fund the program, but it caps the amount of individual earnings that can be taxed within a calendar year. That cap changes every year to align with the National Average Wage Index. And because of inflation, the taxable maximum will rise to $160,200. That is an increase of almost 9% from the current cap of $147,000. That means higher earners will pay a Social Security tax of 6.2% on that additional $13,200 of income next year. Workers with access to flexible spending accounts and health savings accounts can also set aside more pre-tax dollars due to inflation adjustments. In 2023, employees can put away as much as $3,050 in an FSA. That is an increase of 7% from the current tax year's cap of $2,850. According to CBS News, that could provide more tax savings, although the money that you set aside must be used for healthcare expenses. Well, my amazing and dearest friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this weekend. Thank you so much, my friends, for joining me every day when I post a new video. Please remember to enter the giveaway simply by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then comment the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these weekly giveaways. The winner of the $200 Walmart gift card giveaway is Anna Justice. Congratulations, my dear friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page or send me a message on my Facebook. Thank you, dear friends, and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.